11 convict sites throughout Australia called the Australian Convict Sites World Heritage Property.
And how many of those are in Tasmania?
Well, we have 5 in Tasmania, and 3 of them are managed by the Port Arthur Historic Site Management Authority. So this is one of them, the Cascades Female Factory,
Yes.
as well as Port Arthur Historic Site and the coal mines.
How do we learn about some of those stories?
Well, you can come here to the Cascades Female Factory, and we have a dramatised tour called The Proud and the Punished, which was a one-woman performance where she can go into different characters, and you learn about some of the women that were here, some of their stories, some of the children that grew up here.
Really? The Port Arthur site is obviously such a popular attraction for visitors and locals alike.
It's an award-winning site. We were very lucky to win the Australian Tourism Award for Major Tourist Attraction.
Amazing.
There's over 30 buildings and ruins to explore, over 100 acres. It's a much larger site, and you really need a fair bit of time to explore it. We expect people to spend maybe 3 to 4 hours, and we offer a guided tour and a harbour cruise included in your ticket, but also you can buy additional tours. The new visitor centre is meant to engage people in the stories of Port Arthur. Everybody is given a card, a character card. It connects to one of the stories. It's not just the convicts now, so you could be a soldier, you could be an actress, you could be a child that was out at Point Poor, and you find what happened to your character down in the gallery. And there we have artifacts that we've dug up in our archaeology on the site. We have certain elements of our collections that previously hadn't been on display.
That's incredible. Such history.
And you can still try on the leg irons because the kids still love to do that. We have a new tour that we just opened up this year called the Escape from Port Arthur tour, which kind of tells the stories everybody's been asking. Did the convicts actually get away? Were they caught? What happened to them when they got caught?
Oh, the juicy bits.
We also have a brand new restaurant, 1830, which has views out over to the penitentiary. It's absolutely spectacular. And our head chef just loves to use the local produce down the Tasman Peninsula. We have lots of options. First-time travellers to Tasmania always include a visit to Port Arthur from all across the globe.
And how far is it from Hobart?
About 90 minutes, short drive from the city centre. And there's so many tour companies that include Port Arthur as part of their itineraries, so it doesn't mean that you have to hire a car yourself if you're not comfortable to do so.
That's great.